Good afternoon everyone, hope everyone's alright. Today we're at the Swingate Water Tower. It is a prominent Grade 2 listed landmark building located in the village of Swingate near Kimberley, Nottingham. Standing at 30 metres tall, constructed in 1947 and to 1950 and was taken over by the Nottingham City Council. It is owned by Severn Trent Water. I'm going to get the drone up, do a bit of drone footage. A little bit windy today, so I don't think I'll be able to get it to do a fly around. I'll get the best I can. It's gated off, so we're not be able to get inside this one.